So first, I'm very passionate about the AI machine learning. I by myself was developing machine learning and AI way before it was a buzz. Machine learning and AI were also very popular before, and right now is the language models that making the buzz. But before running AnyBiz, I spent 10 years in university to develop this by myself. So I did machine learning and AI to detect melanoma, which is, God forbid, a skin cancer. So I'm passionate about computers making decisions, and we can make them very, very effective. So this is something I wanted to mention at the beginning. The problem of automating things, this is something I'm passionate about for years already. Regarding the question, what are the challenges, is that trying to get into the mind of the SDR, into the BDR mind, and understand how he's working, what he's doing, and how we can automate and simplify whatever he's doing. So this is a very interesting problem that we're passionate about, and this is what we're thinking a lot, and how we can improve that. And SDR, a lot of the time doing some manual things that we can automate, obviously making a lot of decisions. But the question, if the technology can also improve the decisions, and this is where we come, and this is where our technology comes, and this is what we're improving, the decision making of the SDR, BDR. So we started AnyBiz by developing the brain. First, the brain itself. It took us around 1 year to develop only the brain, without what the customers are seeing, the main brain, the main decision maker. This is something that was very, very interesting, very challenging, and this is how we made. It's learning continuously, and the more you give, the more you have customers, the more you have data, then the output will be better. And this is exactly like the human behavior. As long as you have more years of experience, you will be a better professional, whether it's SDR or BDR or whatever. So this is exactly how the computer works, and this is how our technology works, and this is what is amazing about AnyBiz. We built AnyBiz in a way that you can automate everything. Actually, everything can be automated, from the decision making, from writing the messages itself, the sequences to build when and how. This is how we built the product. This is how we are building AnyBiz, but we give the user the option to control. If the user wants, he can change, he can put his input to teach more the brain of his AI agent. But in general, what I wanted to say is that we built it in a way as we see the future, and the future is where most of the things done automatically, but you can impact on some decisions or give your input from your experience or your knowledge or your creativity. And this is how we build the system. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed.